Hey, Charlie from TrotBooks here. In this video, we're going to be talking about horse groups. So this one's short. In the last video, we created some horses, but groups let you organize your horses into cohorts that share same race expense defaults or recurring defaults. So maybe we have claimers. Let's add another one for our New York horses. Cool. That's the whole setup for getting this ready. But you'll notice that once we're inside the group, that there are three things. So the first, maybe the most obvious one, would be the horses in it. Since our horses are already in our system, we can add them to the group right here. So we're going to add two of our horses here. And then we can look more into our recurring expense defaults and our race expense defaults. So for these recurring expense defaults, these will be at the group level defaults so that newly added horses pick them up instead of the stable list. So perhaps in the stable we have our recurring expense default of the day rate at $55, but our horses in New York are actually $65. And then this other piece here, race expense defaults. So we haven't gotten to inputting races yet, but these are per group default so that horses in the group inherit them whenever they're submitted for a race, we'll say. So perhaps they always have medication, and we want to always charge them $20 for this, or at least default to charging them $20 for this. And we'll say it applies to all tracks. We could also get more specific and say this is exactly how much we're only going to do for Harris Hoosier Park, or perhaps if these are New York racers, we'll say the Buffalo Raceway, and we can add that default as well. But yeah, groups are completely optional. If your stable is more standard across the board, then you don't need them. But it could be a time saver if you do have separate cohorts. So that's all for this video.